Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If Safari isn't working the way it should, maybe pages won't load, you're seeing a blank screen, or the loading bar is stuck, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a quick 3-step trick that usually fixes these issues fast. Let's get into it. So let's say you're browsing with Safari and things start acting up. The first thing you need to do is head to the top of your screen and click on Safari in the menu bar. From the drop-down, select Settings. This will open a new window. Inside the Settings window, click on the Advanced tab. Now scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll see an option that says Show Features for Web Developers. Make sure that box is checked. Once it is, you'll notice a new Develop option has appeared in the top menu. Click on Develop, and in the list that drops down, look for Empty Caches. Go ahead and click that. This clears Safari's cache, which is often the root cause of display and loading issues. Now quit Safari completely. But here's a crucial final step. When you reopen Safari, hold down the Shift key as you launch it. This forces Safari to refresh without reopening any potentially problematic tabs or cached data. Once you've done that, Safari should be running a lot smoother. This simple trick resolves about 90% of the most common issues people run into with Safari. And while it might not fix every edge case, it's a solid solution that works the majority of the time. I hope this helped you out. If it did, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Mac fixes and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.